We live in a world of invisible threats. Some are natural, like viruses we can't see. Others are industrial, like gases that can be odourless, colourless and deadly. That's where Crowcon's XGARD gas detectors come in. They're the silent guardians, the watchful protectors, in environments where danger lurks unseen. Imagine a world without these detectors. Oil rigs could erupt in flames, chemical plants could become ticking time bombs, lives would be at stake. But Crowcon's XGARD series stands firm, a technological marvel ensuring safety in a world that often forgets to breathe. These aren't your grandfather's clunky gas detectors. XGARD detectors are sleek, intelligent and unbelievably reliable. They're the product of cutting-edge engineering, designed for the toughest environments on Earth and beyond. And they're not just about safety, they're about peace of mind, knowing that someone, or rather something, has your back. From oil rigs in the North Sea to bustling factories in Asia, Crowcon's XGARD gas detectors are the unsung heroes of industrial safety. They are the sentinels that never sleep, the guardians that never falter. They are the difference between a close call and a catastrophe. The XGARD family isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a diverse group, each member with unique skills and strengths. There are 7 main players in this family, types 1 through 6, and then there's X-Safe. Think of them as a specialised team. You wouldn't send a firefighter to rescue someone from a collapsed mine, would you? Similarly, each XGARD detector is designed for specific threats and environments. Some are experts in sniffing out toxic gases like carbon monoxide, the silent killer. Others are masters at detecting flammable gases like methane, ready to raise the alarm at the slightest hint of danger. Then there's the matter of where they work. Some XGARD detectors thrive in the icy chill of Arctic environments, while others stand strong in the scorching heat of deserts. They're built to withstand anything from corrosive chemicals to explosive atmospheres. Let's meet the first 3 members of our safety squad, XGARD types 1, 2 and 3. Type 1 is the toxic gas specialist. It uses electrochemical sensors to detect a wide range of invisible threats, from carbon monoxide to hydrogen sulfide. You'll find them standing guard in water treatment plants, ensuring that harmful gases don't contaminate our precious water supply. Type 2 is the flammable gas expert. It relies on catalytic bead sensors to sniff out dangerous gases like methane and propane. They're the unsung heroes of oil and gas facilities, preventing explosions and fires before they can ignite. Type 3 is the high-temperature hero. It's built with a rugged stainless steel sensor housing that can withstand extreme heat, making it ideal for environments like power plants and steel mills. It's also a flammable gas specialist, ensuring that things don't get too heated in these high-risk settings. Section 4, XGARD types 4 to 6, built for extreme environments. Now let's venture into even more extreme territory with XGARD types 4, 5 and 6. Type 4 is the ultimate survivor. It can handle temperatures that would melt lesser detectors, making it perfect for scorching deserts or the blistering heat of industrial furnaces. It's a flammable gas specialist, always on the lookout for danger in the most challenging environments. Type 5 is the versatile one. It uses thermal conductivity sensors to detect a wide range of flammable gases, from hydrogen to acetylene. You'll find them in various industrial settings, from chemical plants to paint booths, ensuring that the air remains safe to breathe. Type 6 is the cool customer. It prefers things a bit cooler than its siblings and is ideal for environments with controlled temperatures. Like Type 2, it's a flammable gas expert, keeping a watchful eye on things in places like laboratories and research facilities. Section 5, X-Safe, safety and simplicity. Sometimes you don't need a high-tech superhero. Sometimes you just need a reliable workhorse. That's where X-Safe comes in. It's the no-frills member of the XGARD family, designed for simple, effective flammable gas detection in safe areas. It might not have all the bells and whistles of its siblings, but it gets the job done without breaking a sweat or the bank. You'll find X-Safe in places like warehouses, workshops, and other non-hazardous environments where flammable gases might pose a risk. It's the silent guardian of everyday safety, ensuring that even the most mundane tasks are carried out without a hitch. Section 6. XGARD Bright, the future of gas detection. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get futuristic. Meet XGARD Bright, the newest and most advanced member of the XGARD family. This isn't just a gas detector, it's a technological marvel. It's packed with cutting-edge features that make it the most sophisticated and user-friendly gas detector on the market. XGARD Bright boasts MPS Team technology, a revolutionary sensor system that eliminates the risk of sensor poisoning and reduces the need for frequent calibration. That means less downtime, lower maintenance costs, and increased peace of mind. But that's not all. XGARD Bright also features a large, easy-to-read OLED display, making it a breeze to operate and monitor. It's like having a miniature command center right at your fingertips. And if that wasn't enough, XGARD Bright is incredibly versatile. It can detect both flammable and toxic gases, as well as monitor oxygen levels. It's the ultimate all-in-one solution for industrial safety. Section 7. Choosing your safety guardian. Finding the right XGARD for you. With so many XGARD detectors to choose from, it can be tough to know which one is right for you. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. The key is to think about your specific needs. What gases are you trying to detect? What are the environmental conditions? What level of sophistication do you require? Once you've answered these questions, you can start narrowing down your options. Crowcon offers a wide range of resources to help you make the right choice, including expert advice and online tools. No matter which XGARD detector you choose, you can rest assured that you're getting the best protection available. These are more than just gas detectors, they're lifesavers. They're the silent guardians of industrial safety, ensuring that everyone goes home safe at the end of the day.